C++ is a powerful and modern language. It is indispensable where high performance is required, such as computer games, image processing, video, and audio. C++ is also used for high-load services, search engines, device drivers, operating systems, and compilers for other programming languages. 3D engines are written in C++ or its older brother, C. Sometimes a program is written in another language, but critical performance-sensitive parts are entrusted to C or C++. Microcontrollers used in drones and 3D printers are programmed in these languages. However, C++ is also great for solving simpler everyday tasks. The good old C language is largely compatible with C++. By learning C++, you can program in C as well, if you learn some specific features. The main advantage of C++ is that its application domain has no limitations. So, let's write our first program. Our first program will be a classic Hello World program. As an IDE, I will be using CMake. Alternatively, you can use Visual Studio or VS Code. You will also need a compiler. I will be using the GCC compiler. If you are using Visual Studio, it already comes with the Visual C++ compiler built in. First, I will finish writing the program, and then I will explain it line by line. This line includes the necessary header file, IOStream, which allows us to use the standard input-output functionalities. This line declares the main function, which is the entry point of the program. It returns an integer value. This line uses the stdcout object to print the string Hello World to the console. The std, endl, is used to insert a new line after printing. This line signifies the end of the main function. It returns the integer value 0 to indicate that the program executed successfully. Let's see the result of executing our first program. As you can see, Hello World was printed in the console. That was our first program in the C++ language. This is your first step towards learning programming. See you soon in the next lesson.